shotgun, here comes shotgun, right down Claymore Lane. Figure four and power slamming everybody's name. Bells are ringing, people screaming, everyone's alive. So move your fingers and say your prayers, 'cause shotgun's coming tonight. Here comes shotgun, right down Claymore Lane. He's got a weapons, call his legs for Phil and Dre again. Hear those heads snapping back, oh what a perfect sight. So get your tent and cover your head, 'cause shotgun's coming tonight. Here comes shotgun, right down Claymore Lane. He doesn't care if you're big or small, he'll kick everyone the same. Shotgun knows that people talk, which makes everything right. So know your role and shut your mouth, 'cause shotgun's coming tonight. Here comes shotgun, right down Claymore Lane. He'll come around when mouths get loud and kick Phil and Dre again. Peace on earth will come to all if we just follow the light. So let's give thanks to the Lord above, 'cause shotgun's coming tonight. Here comes shotgun, right down Claymore Lane. Figure four and power slamming everybody's name. Bells are ringing, people screaming, everyone's alive. So move your fingers and say your prayers, 'cause shotgun comes tonight.